I'm Renee Giordano, and I work as an online relational psychotherapist in the state of New York. In my practice, I work with clients who feel a loss of connection and fulfillment. This often shows up as high anxiety, chronic stress, or a variety of difficulties in different types of relationship. In my work with couples often come to me to work on the infamous communication issues. And likely there is a lot of that going on, but that's not all there is. There's a kind of a misattunement, a way of reacting to the emotional needs and moods of others at play. Usually by the time a couple comes to couples therapy, that part's pretty unbalanced. And I'd be willing to bet there's a lot of negative behavior and built-up resentments that are getting in the way of the couple's happiness. Some couples come to work with me because one partner wants to change the other, and that they think the key to their individual happiness in the relationship is predicated on that partner changing. Something like, if only my partner would do some of this, or if only my partner would stop doing that, we'd be fine. Well, I help couples dig deeper into why they relate to each other the way that they do, and help them learn how to do it better. I do this a bunch of different ways. I ask pointed questions. I help the individuals and the couple as a whole examine, process, and change the stories that they tell themselves and the negative feelings and behaviors that go along with that. They learn ways that their attachment style creates barriers to connection and how to make changes even beyond communication strategies, although we do some of that work too. My goal is to help them help themselves to feel securely connected and bonded to bring out the best in their relationship. Now, my style's direct. I'm pretty upfront. I'll gently challenge things that don't sound right, but I don't like the words brutally honest because I think you can be honest without being brutal. I help couples deal with their issues head on with kindness, warmth, care, and concern at a pace that makes the most sense for them. I take an active role in sessions to help partners take action on their own behalf in a real way, to continue to build on strengths they already have. I can show them how to repair the areas of the relationship that aren't working while giving credit to and finding ways to increase the areas that are. Now I'll say this, couples therapy with me isn't for everyone. You have to be willing to do the work. It's not just about showing up and having a complaint fest the entire time, or having a never-ending argument with an audience. Clients who work best with me are people who are ready to give up old patterns that are no longer helpful, are ready to make changes in their life, and who implement new ways of being with and reacting to their partners. They have to be willing to change themselves. That's an inside job. Now, if you'd like to learn a different way of living your relational life, I'd love to connect with you sometime. I invite you to schedule a free phone consultation with me. I'll answer your questions and we can see how best I can help. If it's not a good fit, we'll know it. Until then, I wish you good health and loving, connected relationships.